So how to bulk delete post in a Facebook page? So go to your Facebook page and scroll down, and then you can see the manage post. You have to press on manage post, and then top right corner you can see schedule, published, and group post. You have to select published, and then you can filter the option. Press on filter, then you can see video, live, reels, photo, text, link. So I am selecting the text, and my all text posts are available here. Now you can select all, or you see it's loading, so it's takes some time to load. Suppose I want to select this three, and then press on edit, and then press on move to bin, and then press on delete, and post will be gone. Again select all, edit, move to bin, delete. So all posts are gone. So this is how you can easily bulk delete post, video, reels from your Facebook page. Hope video helpful. Please thumbs up and do subscribe Tutorial River. Hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.